Okay, doors closed and latched, brakes on, side controls, free correct, carb heat cold, throttle 1700 RPM, good. Right magneto. Good. Carpet. Good. Engine instruments. Good. Suction. Good. Alright. Idle. Radios are set. Transponders verify altitude. And the lights on. Okay, whatever. Mic check.
Loud and clear.
Thank you. Please get one. Oh, okay. Fairline traffic, Cessna 4337, uniform departing runway 14, Fairline traffic.
Fairland traffic, Cessna 25754 is departing the area to the west. Fairland.
Feels it.
All right, let's start descending. Go ahead and put in the first notch of flaps. Fairline traffic, Cessna 4337, uniform turning base, runway 14, Fairline traffic. Fairline traffic, Cessna 4337, uniform turning final, runway 14, Fairline traffic.
Fairland traffic, Cherokee 32458 over Lead City, 1400 inbound for 14. As a colleague Oscar 126 Victor Alpha, taking off taxiway 14 and out 4 for local traffic Fairland.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh, that was bad. It's really windy.
short traffic at Pearland. Are you touch and go or full stop?
Full stop.
He's full. Roger that.
Peak gusts 18. Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 4,400. Temperature 27 Celsius. Dew point 15 Celsius. Altimeter 3002. Remarks. Density altitude 1,300.
Pearland Regional Airport.
Yeah, let's do one more. It's gonna be rough, and then we're done because it's really windy.
Yeah, I'm feeling
it's 1-1 and goes into 1-8.
I'm feeling every bounce.
Pearland traffic, Cessna 4337 uniform, turning final, runway 14, Pearland traffic.
J3, left base 271.
Oh, that was beautiful.
That was better. We should end on that note.
Yep.
Third time's a charm.